Seeking Alpha app news and analysis, stock market portfolio alerts. So follow your stocks, get actionable investing ideas, best-in-class news coverage, monitor market performance, research stocks in depth, keep an eye on dividend stability, real-time updates and alerts. This app provides active and engaged investors with a wide range of tools and resources to make data-driven investment decisions. Seeking Alpha provides active and engaged investors with a wide range of tools and resources to make data-driven investment decisions. Real-time financial news and market movement analysis, strong buy ratings, expert insights from investors, industry professional, customizable alerts for stocks in your watch list, price quotes, charts, and portfolio tracking tools. With millions of monthly users, Seeking Alpha is a global community where investors share ideas, create strategies, and discuss breaking financial news. Our coverage spans stocks, ETF, mutual funds, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. Thousands of contributors publish investment thesis monthly, each undergoing rigorous editorial review. So here you can get, with a free plan, one premium article per month, real-time stock prices, the option to create your own portfolio, real-time alerts on the stock you follow, Wall Street ratings for every stock. That's basically the idea. So let's just open it up. And then accept cookies. You can create free account, Google, Apple, or email. And then notifications. Then there is premium, where you can just get all of these details. But then, yeah, here you can see portfolio, which you can create, and then you can just see trending news in this category. Then you can see analysis from some firms. But then here is you have trending analysis, my hot themes, on the move news. So this is basically a pretty cool app just to learn yourself and just to get information about stocks. Pretty cool. Then you can see stock gainers and losers, like for example S&P 500 top gainers and top losers. eBay, for example, lost a lot. I don't know. Mid cap 400, small cap 600, S&P 500. And then, yeah, that's just what you have. Top yielding stocks, trending most active stocks. You can see, and then most active. Earnings calendar. And then there are some logged articles which you can read. And then all of this news analysis. And then you can just upgrade for here. So that's what it is if you want to upgrade to Pro. So let's just check it out. World-class tools. Just $99 for the first month. Pro Quant portfolio. So seasoned individual investors, investment professionals. So Pro now, $99 for the first month. And then there is also premium. So premium is less expensive, $300 per year. So that's just what you're getting. And then top stocks, top ETFs, stock screener, ETF screener comparisons. And that's just what you're getting. So quite advanced app. It actually has a lot of good ratings. And I think in this category, one of the top apps, 120,000 ratings. So quite a good app to just learn, And that's just what you have.